In India, BJP-ruled state Haryana, Hindu nationalist cow vigilantes assaulted a Sikh truck driver and used his turban to tie his feet for transporting cattle in his vehicle. Turban is a sacred article of faith for the Sikhs and is considered symbol of honor and dignity. By using the turban in such a manner, the cow vigilantes not only violated the driver's personal space and dignity, but also disrespected his religious beliefs. The incident is not unique. There have been several reports of assault on the cattle transporters, the Muslim drivers, in the name of the cow protection, but this is the first clear example of the Hindu nationalist mob targeting the Sikhs. Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 2 Kashmiri youth during a cordon and search operation in the Baramulla district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth were martyred by the Indian troops in Naupura Sopore area of the district. All-party Hurriyat Conference has reaffirmed the Kashmiris' resolve to carry on the political struggle till the settlement of the Kashmir dispute as per the relevant United Nations resolutions. According to Kashmir Media Service, APRC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, said that the freedom-loving people of Kashmir were engaged in peaceful struggle to secure their political right. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has said that the Indian Premier Narendra Modi is using all his efforts to create polarization among the people on religious lines to influence the ongoing parliamentary polls. According to Kashmir Media Service, Farooq Abdullah was addressing an NC and Congress joint rally and later party workers at separate places in Srinagar. Hindutva, RSS and BJP activists have damaged a mosque, tried to disrespect the Holy Quran and a shrine in the Pulwama district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the RSS BJP members, with the help of the Indian Army, damaged the window panels of the mosque and attempted to disrespect the Quran and the shrine nearby.